Meaning of excommunicate.
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 Excommunicate. Excommunication is a religious or social punishment where an individual's membership in a community or organization is terminated. In many cases, it is a result of a specific transgression or violation of the community's established rules or customs. The consequences of excommunication can be severe and varied, depending on the community involved. It may result in loss of access to religious sacraments, ostracism from social groups, and in some cases, legal penalties. Excommunication is primarily used to enforce conformity and maintain group cohesion among religious organizations or other tightly knit social communities.